Hey, Mark again from Panel Perfect. Today we've got a BMW Z4 with some nasty wing damage. Hit a stump, I believe. Okay, so here's the damage to the BMW Z4. Like I said, hit a tree stump. Pretty nasty, as you can see. The body line is gone for what's that? Maybe 5-6 inches there. Crown through here. Luckily the edge isn't crumpled too badly, so I think we should get away with that. I'm guessing it may be related, but the bumper's a little bit askew, but he hasn't mentioned anything about that, so I think we'll concentrate on the dent and hopefully that'll align itself anyway. But as you can see, got my work cut out for me, so let's see how we go. Okay, so the repair on the BMW is finished. Came out pretty good. It's taken quite a knock. You can imagine the car into a tree stump will do some nasty damage, but it's come out pretty good. Just to show you, these are the tools that I actually used for the repair. Mainly this bar here with various screw-on tips. I got a rubber tip, a sort of a nylon tip there, a metal one I put away. Tap downs for shaping the metal. You've got again a soft tip, a nylon tip there, and a metal tip for knocking some nasty stuff down. Obviously hammer with titanium end and a soft end, and selection of bars, including this bar here, stand liner bar, which is an interesting shaped tool, but yeah, so all done. So thank you for watching, and if you've got any dents and you are in the Gloucestershire area, please give us a call.